You won't believe how fast a confident "I know my rights" can crumble in a courtroom. It all started in a quiet neighborhood where Mr. Carter, a retired firefighter, had been working on a wheelchair ramp for his wife, Linda, who had recently suffered a stroke. It was a modest wooden ramp, nothing flashy, just something to help her get in and out of their home safely. But to HOA President Karen, it was an unsightly violation. She stormed over, phone in hand, snapping pictures from every angle. "This is an unauthorized structure," she barked. Mr. Carter tried to explain, voice calm but tired. "It's for my wife, ma'am. She can't walk up the steps anymore?" Karen scoffed. "Then move to a nursing home. We have neighborhood standards to uphold." Within a week, the Carters got a notice: remove the ramp in 10 days or face daily fines. Mr. Carter refused. The fines started piling up, $100 a day, and soon the HOA took him to court. The courtroom was tense. Karen strutted in, heels clicking, armed with a binder of evidence. She didn't even wait for the judge to address her before declaring loudly, "I know my rights. This ramp violates Section 14B of our covenants, and as HOA president, I have full authority to enforce them." The judge just leaned back in his chair, silent. A faint smile crossed his face. Then he said, "Mrs. Reynolds, let's review something together." He gestured to the bailiff, who wheeled in a large monitor. The screen lit up with a video. It was from Karen's own security camera, the footage she had submitted as proof. Only instead of showing the ramp as an eyesore, it showed something else. There was Linda in her wheelchair, trying to get inside their home without the ramp before it was built. She struggled at the steps, her hands shaking, eyes wet with frustration. Then the clip cut to Mr. Carter, sweating in the sun, sawing and hammering late into the evening until the ramp stood finished. He smiled as he gently pushed Linda up it for the first time, her face lighting up with relief. The courtroom fell silent. The judge's smile faded into something stern. "Mrs. Reynolds, your rights do not extend to violating basic human decency. The Fair Housing Act requires reasonable accommodations for disabilities. Your actions and these fines are not just unlawful, they are cruel." Karen's face drained of color. The judge ruled in the Carters' favor immediately, ordering the HOA to pay back every cent in fines and cover damages for emotional distress. Outside the courthouse, reporters asked Mr. Carter what he thought of the ruling. He just said, "It's not about winning. It's about making sure no one else goes through what my wife did. So next time someone says, 'I know my rights,' remember, the law might just have a bigger story to tell." If you believe kindness should always win, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this story.